So long you are a friend of mine, but this is all we'll ever be. I've loved you ever since you are a friend of mine, and baby, is this all we ever could be? Tell me things I've never known. I show you love you never shown. But then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the life you had, and I listen very eagerly. But deep inside you never see the sweet light of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again I'm glad. Knowing you all my life, you are a friend of mine. I know this is how it's gonna be. I love you then, and I love you still.